Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to stay fit at home in 2026, a good treadmill can make a huge difference. Whether you want to walk, jog, or run without going to the gym, today I've picked the top 5 best treadmills of 2026 that offer great performance, smart features, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Walden Sports Folding Electric Treadmill. The Walden Sports Folding Treadmill is a compact and portable electric treadmill designed for home workouts. It features an LCD display, adjustable speed up to 6.2 miles per hour, and a foldable design that makes it ideal for small spaces. This treadmill is perfect for beginners and casual users. It's easy to use, lightweight, and doesn't take up much room. The handle provides extra stability, making it suitable for walking and light jogging. Pros: foldable and space-saving design, easy-to-read LCD screen, simple controls, beginner-friendly, quiet operation. Cons: not ideal for intense running, limited speed range. If you want a basic, affordable treadmill for daily walking or light jogging, the Walden Sports Treadmill is a solid choice. Number 2. Walking Pad Treadmill with 12% Automatic Incline, 450 pounds capacity. This walking pad comes with a powerful motor, 12% automatic incline, and an impressive 450 pounds weight capacity. It also includes an RGB LED display and built-in Bluetooth speakers. This treadmill stands out because of the incline feature, which is rare in walking pads. It's excellent for calorie burning, hiking simulation, and under-desk workouts. Pros: 12% automatic incline for intense walking, very high weight capacity, compact under-desk design, Bluetooth speaker, and LED display. Cons: not designed for fast running, heavier than standard walking pads. If you want a walking treadmill that adds incline for better workouts, this is one of the best options in 2026. Number 3. Walking Pad Treadmill with 10% incline and handlebar, 3.5 HP. This treadmill features a 3.5 HP motor, 10% incline, handlebar support, and speeds from 0.6 to 6 miles per hour. It also supports a smart app and comes with a remote control. It's a great balance between a walking pad and a full treadmill. The shock absorption system helps protect your joints, making it suitable for longer workouts. Pros: strong 3.5 HP motor, incline plus handlebar support, app and remote control, good shock absorption. Cons: running space is slightly narrow. App features may vary by region. This is an excellent compact treadmill for users who want both walking and light running in a small space. Number 4. Therun Home Treadmill with Incline, 3.0 HP. The Therun treadmill offers a 3.0 HP motor, adjustable incline, heart rate monitoring, and a wider running belt for comfort and safety. This treadmill feels more like a traditional gym treadmill. The wider belt and heart rate sensors make it suitable for serious home workouts. Pros: wider running surface, heart rate monitoring, strong motor for jogging and running, stable and durable build. Cons: takes up more space, a slightly higher price. If you want a gym-style treadmill at home, the Therun treadmill is a strong and reliable option. Number 5. Folding Treadmill with Incline, 3.0 HP, 350 pounds capacity. This folding treadmill supports up to 350 pounds, reaches speeds of 7.6 miles per hour, includes incline adjustment, pulse sensors, Bluetooth speakers, voice control, and preset workout programs. This treadmill is packed with smart features. It's quiet, powerful, and ideal for home users who want guided workouts and connectivity. Pros: high weight capacity, incline plus preset programs, Bluetooth speaker and app support, quiet motor, and foldable design. Cons: voice control may not always be perfect. Assembly takes some time. This is one of the best all-around home treadmills in 2026, offering power, smart features, and comfort. So, those are the top 5 best treadmills of 2026. If you want basic walking, go with Walden Sports. For incline walking, the walking pads are excellent. For serious running, the Therun or the folding smart treadmill are your best choices. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which treadmill you liked the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.